Wall Street rose on Friday as investors bought consumer staples and utility shares, the Nasdaq rising for a fourth straight day. Positive quarterly earnings offset investors' worries of an escalating trade war and weaker than expected jobs growth in July. For the week, the three indexes gained ground. Fundex chief investment strategist Jason Brown.
I think in general we're continuing to see that this is a pretty resilient market. People are willing to put aside a lot of their concerns, maybe because they're just tired of feeling like they're missing out. And or other people are just feeling like every time they do anything that maybe seems a little bit more cautious, they're getting kind of punished for that.
U.S. jobs growth slowed in July. Payrolls rose by 157,000 and the unemployment rate ticked down to 3.9%. Also concerning investors, China proposed new tariffs on $60 billion worth of U.S. goods in retaliation for U.S.'s proposed duties on $200 billion of Chinese imports. Kraft Heinz drove other food makers higher like Kellogg and Campbell's Soup. The Heinz ketchup and Philadelphia cream cheese maker raised prices. Its quarterly sales in the U.S. fell but beat estimates. Dish Network shares jumped higher. The provider of satellite TV services lost fewer subscribers in the latest quarter than Wall Street expected. Symantec shares dropped, weighing on the S&P 500. The maker of Norton antivirus software lowered its annual revenue forecast. Tech stocks drove European shares higher at the end of a volatile week.